Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Scorpio, these are general collective readings. This card just flipped out. I had to put it back. It was the High Priestess. Let's see if she wants to show up again. But like I was saying, these are general collective readings. Will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Scorpio, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel. Very blessed. Thank you. And Scorpio, if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Fiery cards here. The Tower, the Ten of Swords, the Strength card, the Moon, the Emperor, Page of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, the Chariot, and the Two of Wands. Ooh, somebody is in Emperor mode here. Somebody wants to take back power and control, wanting to make a decision here. Very different cards. There is, look at this Emperor sitting here with the sword up, and then faced with all these cards. I have the Tower, Ten of Swords, Strength, the Moon, the Emperor, Page of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, the Chariot, and the Two of Wands. And then the Eight of Swords, bottom of my deck, which is somebody overthinking this, getting really stressed out in a self-imposed prison of their mind. So I have no clue what's going on. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, and then we'll get on to this reading. So Scorpio and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Scorpio and their person. Thank you. Scorpio and their person spirit. If any of you are looking for a private reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And I'm going to take a couple more from here, Scorpio. And we're done. Let's begin. The first card I have here, Scorpio, says, I know that I shouldn't compare others to you, but I just can't help it. You're a tough act to follow, and absolutely no one measures up. No matter what has happened between us, you're still the one. I'm at a breaking point right now because you apologize. However, you continue to make the same mistakes. This has become a toxic behavior which needs addressing if you want this relationship to work. I tried to help you with your addictions. Second reference now. I tried to help you with your addictions, but you took me and my love for granted. I was happy and carefree before, but you kept taking from me. You stole my heart, my love, my light, and my well-being. I'm trying to recover from this and heal myself. Yes, I think somebody's taken back control of their life here, or at least that's what the reading is implying here. I stopped believing in love, but after seeing your smile, I became a believer again. I love you with my heart, mind, body, and soul. So this is something like a reconnection, something which had a tower moment, came to an end. I think somebody wants to bring it back to life, but I don't think the other partner's interested. I enjoy dating and keeping things casual, as I'm not wanting to settle down just yet. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. I'm planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. I want to cherish you with loving adoration. I really need your warmth and affection. So one person is wanting to bring something back. The other partner, I think, is not interested. So that's what I'm getting from here. Let's start clarifying these cards, Scorpio. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, learning experience. Yes, this could This could be a lesson that somebody has learned and doesn't want to repeat. Maybe a karmic soulmate, where things really kind of went out of control. There may have been a tower moment which ended things between two people. So I think the lesson here has been learned, and one partner doesn't want to revisit the story again, whereas the other one, let's start clarifying and get more on this. Spirit, what's this tower and the Ten of Swords? What's this tower and the Ten of Swords? Yeah, somebody was dealing with almost like a narcissist, I would say, because I have a King of Swords in reverse, which is a person who lies, never speaks well, can be rude, can be not the best, I would say, in terms of having as a partner. Things maybe came to an end. Maybe this was a court case. Maybe it was legally. Maybe it got disconnected, or somebody just decided to bring justice to their life by ending, or bringing on this tower to say, "Hey, I can't deal with this anymore," because they felt none of their wishes were coming true with this King of Swords in reverse. So the huge tower moment was one person saying, "I'm putting an end to this," because one person was not happy in this, not emotionally satisfied, not emotionally happy. Yes, this could have been a marriage, or could have been, the makings of a long-term partnership, relationship, family. This could have even been a divorce which happened here, Scorpio. Of course, this not everybody's story, but it's showing up very strong with the Justice card and the Ten of Pentacles, and then the Tower, because of somebody's unhappiness with this masculine who was showing up as the King of Swords in reverse. So what's the Strength card, Spirit? Yeah, somebody didn't want to, somebody just lost their strength to work on this connection. There was a feminine here who was never respected. Maybe they never felt grounded, they never felt secure in this connection, and I think they were always made to feel maybe not good enough or not strong enough, or they just kind of didn't want to fight for this anymore. I think that's this Queen of Pentacles in reverse, who dropped this connection. Ten of Wands in reverse. I can't deal with it anymore. I'm tired. I'm just dropping it. And that was what the Tower moment and this Ten of Swords was, the ending. So what's this Moon card, Spirit? What's this Moon card? Moon card. Yes, I think somebody, there was, I don't know, the Moon card is normally secrets being kept, or fear. They could have been scared of this connection. They felt maybe there was no passion left. Things kind of really broke down. There was no good memories to, carry forth. And somebody just left all this trouble behind and left off to have a brand new beginning, or at least to find, peace in their own life. Somebody here took back control of their own life. That's how I see it. So there is, I think, a masculine here who's not happy with this decision. This masculine is still looking for a return. They are not happy. They are not happy because all the happiness and joy in their life is over after this feminine's made a decision. They would like this feminine to return back to them after things have actually all ended. There's stagnancy here. They're still trying, they're still holding on, still hoping, and not wanting to end this, or they have a fear of totally releasing this feminine. Death in reverse. They don't want to end this. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, they want to send a message, or they want to communicate with this feminine now. What do they want to say, Spirit? That stop holding back. Please don't hold back anymore and return back. They don't like this feeling of feeling neglected or abandoned or left out by this feminine, even though they know that this tower has been caused by them. They are realizing what they've done, they're realizing how they've treated this feminine, this tower which fell. They know it's their fault. They know. And but they're not willing to accept it. They don't like that there is no movement now, that the feminine is no longer coming towards them. Maybe there's distance between the two of you now, and this masculine is still in that same low vibrational energy, Scorpio. They are still in there. Oh my God, the minute I said that, the Five of Swords and the Devil card, this person is addicted, obsessed with having this feminine back. This is a warning. They can do anything. It's, they can do anything to win. It's my way or the highway. As long as I win, I don't care who I hurt or how I manage to be the victor here, be the winner here. Two of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Two of Wands in reverse. Two of Wands in reverse. Two of Wands in reverse. They're very frustrated and angry. They're very frustrated and angry that the feminine has made a decision here to, not accept their offer. They are not happy about the fact that this feminine is upset with them maybe, or is not taking action towards them, has gotten over all their stress and tension after this dynamic, this Four of Wands, either a marriage or something has come to an end. This is really making this masculine upset, frustrated and angry. So let this be a warning. Let this be a warning. This masculine is still in this kind of energy here, Scorpio. They're not happy that this feminine is not, moving back towards them. Anything else, Spirit? Yes, they want to communicate. They want to communicate and say what, Spirit? Oh, they want to come in like innocent and sweet and apologize. But be mindful, Scorpio, there is a fish in that cup from what I feel. A stinky fish in that cup. It's basically that they're obsessed, they're angry, they feel belittled, they feel that they lost and they're not used to losing. They can't wrap their mind around the fact that this feminine has left them and is no longer wanting them anymore. So they may come back with sweet nothings. Just a warning. Okay? So this was a karmic experience, I think, which I think has already done over. But whoever this masculine is, they are still overthinking. They haven't let it go. They are stressed out. They are feeling none of my wishes have come true. They are losing hope that this feminine is going to come back, and that's the reason they may want to rush back in and given that apology, which is nothing but a mask to their frustration and anger. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Take care, be aware, be careful. Till next time then, love and light. Namaste.